man who became famous for breaking Usain Bolt's world record under fire as allegedly fake result evidence comes to light. Back in 2020, an Indian by name created history by doing the unthinkable. He broke the 100-meter record set by Jamaican Usain Bolt during a local annual race in the southwestern India state known as Karbala. The race occurs on the Madly track. Two buffaloes are ridden by a white farmer across a 100 meters track, and probably the time meant was 0.3 seconds faster than the Jamaican and technically the fastest man of the planet. Nearly 2 years after the incredible feat found himself in a world of trouble, a member of the Indian Association has raised questions over the history of the time and has alleged that they faked the results. Once again, I'll be giving you more update. They say that they faked the results, while the legend Usain Bolt may have retired from spring years ago. Many of his records remain untouched. Chief amongst them is the 100 meters record he set during the 2009 IAF World Championship and has since turned people's but has always come up short. But one man from southwestern India output the Jamaican with the little help of his buffaloes. And probably don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also do leave a comment. I'll be giving you more about Usain Bolt world record and the fire as allegedly fake news results evidence come out to light.